So this one wouldn't work because the colors are very distracting. Actually, the whole setup's kind of really distracting to people of different learning styles. And the font is kind of all over the page, and the colors are very crazy. So overall, this just makes no sense, and it's very unorganized. Along with the transitions, um, the moving transitions can sometimes be a distraction also. On this slide, the different font styles from the heading to the body of the slide is very overwhelming also. There's so many words, and most of the time people will usually just read straight from the slide when it's this detailed, when really you want to narrow it down into bullet points and elaborate on your own. And this last slide, the conclusion, is not correct because of the font styles and because some words are lowercase and some are all caps. And so to a viewer, this can be very distracting. They won't even really hear what you're saying. They hear more of, or they see more of the screen than actually hear your words and what you're trying to get across to them. So to redo it and do it correctly, this was what I would change my cover slide to. It's not as distracting, it's very organized and put together and easy to follow. And I would cut out the transition because to make it less distracting, I guess. And also I have I have bullets, but they're not detailed bullets. So they're easy to look at and kind of gather my thoughts while I am going to elaborate on each one as I go down the list. Also, I put a picture on here that kind of goes with what I'm talking about, so as more of a visual aid. And then my last slide, I changed this one to very simple, very put together. The font is all the same, the colors aren't too crazy, and it's just one paragraph that really hits on the important details, and that's the end of it.